Double sound consonant blends. SK and ST. A double sound consonant blend consists of two consonants sounded together in such a way that each single consonant is heard. Consonant blends can occur at the beginning or ending of a word, as shown in the examples below. SK, skate. SK, desk. ST, stop. ST, nest. Double sound consonant blends with L. BL, as in block. CL, as in clock. FL, as in flag. GL, as in glue. PL, as in plum. SL, as in sled. Double sound consonant blends with R. BR, as in brush. CR, as in crib. DR, as in dress. FR, as in frog. GR, as in green. PR, as in pretzel. TR, as in train. Single sound consonant blends. A single sound consonant blend consists of two consonants that sounded together make one sound. The beginning consonant blends. CH, ch. SH, sh. TH, th. WH, wh. PH, f. CH, as in cheese. SH, as in ship. TH, as in thumb. WH, as in wheel. PH, as in phone. Ending single sound consonant blends. CH, SH, TH. CH, as in peach. SH, as in fish. TH, as in wreath.